In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tavily to n8n. First things first, let's make sure you have everything you need to get connected. The process is straightforward and will fully integrate Tavily's powerful capabilities into your n8n workflows. So whether you're looking to simplify your data extraction, perform detailed searches, or automate web crawling, we've got you covered. Our journey begins with the installation of the Tavily n8n node. This node is the bridge that connects your n8n environment to Tavily, allowing you to leverage its functionalities seamlessly. To install it, navigate to the n8n node library where you can easily search for and find the Tavily node. Simply type Tavily into the search bar and it should appear in your list of available nodes. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to proceed with the installation. Next, we need to create a Tavily credential. This step is essential as it ensures that your connection remains secure and authorized. You'll need your Tavily API key for this. The API key acts as a unique identifier, allowing Tavily to recognize and authenticate your requests. Within the n8n platform, open your Tavily node and head over to the Credentials section. Here, you'll input your API key in the specified field. Make sure you're copying this key correctly, as any mistakes might lead to connection issues later on. This is a crucial step in establishing a seamless and secure connection with Tavily's services. Now that we have our credentials set up, it's time to configure the Tavily node itself. This is where you decide how you want to interact with Tavily, whether that's through searching, extracting information, or crawling websites. Depending on your operational needs, you can tailor these settings precisely. Inside the Tavily node, you'll find options for search, extract, and crawl operations. To configure them, simply select the option that aligns with your current workflow requirements and adjust any additional settings that appear. Each operation might have specific parameters you can tune to refine your process, so take a little time to review these options to ensure they match your desired outcome. Finally, with everything configured, your Tavily node is ready to become part of your automated workflows. You can now execute your n8n workflows with confidence, knowing that Tavily is integrated and active, ready to search, extract, or crawl as needed. And there you have it, a fully functional integration between Tavily and n8n. With this setup, you're significantly enhancing your data gathering capabilities, making your workflows more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching and happy automating.